New details in the arrest of a Limestone County judge. We learned people working below him tipped off officials to potential criminal actions. The Limestone County Sheriff's Office arrested Douglas Patterson this morning. He's facing charges of theft, using public office for personal gain, and financial exploitation of the elderly. According to the Attorney General's office, he took about $47,000 from juvenile court accounts. Tonight, we are hearing from the community as they learn more about the charges against Douglas Patterson. WAY 31's Megan Reyna joins us live from Limestone County. She has more details on the charges and what people are saying about them. Megan.
People I spoke to feel disappointed that this man who was supposed to be setting an example of right from wrong, now he's setting a different kind of example that feels like a disappointment.
We're supposed to trust them and for them to uphold our justice system, and then for them to turn around and just be a criminal.
According to the Alabama Attorney General's office, Douglas Patterson took about $100,000 over several years from the juvenile court system in two elderly men. One we know was a veteran.
Like, they served their country, they put their life on their line for us. We're supposed to have respect for them. It's just messed up.
The state investigation revealed Patterson wrote about 70 checks to himself from the county's Juvenile Court Services Fund. Investigators say Patterson cashed or deposited them into his personal bank account, his law firm's operating account, and his law firm's client trust account.
I'm really disappointed in Judge Patterson. I've worked with youth, and I have been in his courtroom a number of times with some of the youth that I worked with, and I thought he was a wonderful man and very fair with the kids.
Patterson was supposed to be acting as a guardian over Charles Hardy's account, but is accused of taking more than $47,000. The Attorney General's office says he also took $1,500 from Rudolph Allen's estate.
So we hope that the strong leadership in this town will come forward and take care of everything.
Patterson is out on bond tonight. He's formally suspended from serving as a district county judge. His cases were previously reassigned to other judges within the counties during the state's investigation. Reporting live in Athens, Megan Reyna, WAY 31 News.
Patterson could face up to 20 years in prison and a fine up to $30,000 for each of the first two charges. He could also face up to 5 years in prison and a fine of theft for the charge.